My leg! Man, I don't know how long I've been out here for. But I'm starting to get really cold and this wind is not helping me at all. And I haven't even thought the aliens regenerated yet. There's a bunch of balloon. Oh, come on, leg. I'm gotta find my way back home. Okay. Yeah. There they are. I can make it back there. All I gotta do is grab my leg. There we go. Oh, my leg. Oh, my back. Oh, my leg on my back. Hey. Say. My other leg. I got you, baby. Oh, Baba. I can't see no. Oh, that's more like it. I'm starting to become the old Jinky I know and love. I'm still a person I know and love because I'm freaking handsome. Just look at me. Look at this pretty white. Who cannot resist this thing? Anyway, gotta get back to gotta get back to getting home. Hey, these are well, propeller weeds, yeah. If I take this, maybe I could get home extra quick. I just gotta do the right angle and altitude. Angle it. Angle it. Angle. A little bit farther will do. Maybe a little bit more far. A little bit more far. Look at the angling right. A little. And what? I am so funny. If you think otherwise, Jinky. Oh, Wait behind. Whoa! Wait! Whoa! 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 Wind! Oh! Yeah, stupid wind. My leg, where'd it go? There it is. Come to pop, come to pop. Come on, come on, come on. Go! This stupid wind. Gotta get back home. The arm extend. Oh, my back. Oh, my face. Come on, Jinkster. You can do this. I can make that jump. I am the Almighty. I made it! I can take one of these propeller weeds to get back up. Or haven't I already learned my lesson? These stupid green bugger trees made me fall all the way over here before. But they could be useful now, who knows? Just gotta pull it back slightly less in the perfect angle. Caps up! Whoa, wind! Wait, could you stop me, please? tiny, kind of long, you know, really kind of long, super long, extraordinarily long. Oh my god, long. Oh, long, green, golden face, great devourer. Oh, wind, wind. Okay, the wind wants to come and I wanted to come. Ridiculous. When I want the wind to come, it doesn't come. When I don't want the wind to come, it wants to come. Oh wait, now it's going. Now it's going again. Now it's going again. Scoot along this way, Jinky. Scoot along this way. What's with this wind? Why is it so windy? It's because I'm on Jinkinator or on Klinkinator. I don't know, but I'm gonna make it back to my friends. Where are they? Ah, there they are. Okay. This time, don't prepare me too far, alright? Really, do not prepare me too far. Wee! I didn't mean that! Molding! Hopefully this ball will take me. You're sure? Oh, let's see, it's just going normal. 5 hours later. Looks like I'm perfectly right next to shore. I'm gonna be in the middle of the ocean. Even better than I expected. Die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna die. My face. When will the suffering for the Jinkinator end? Now my arm. I'm just gonna walk, whatever. Yeah? We... What? Nice and slowly. Whatever. Buddies, home at last. Cox, Gimso. Well, that's a pretty strong wind. Well, hey, whoa, wind. Whoa, what's up with the wind? Whatever. You hear something? Me neither. Bye.